Okay, let's continue. Do you think that it's easy to find?
It's not easy for me, and I cannot find where such quiz are, and so maybe some people have the same situation as me, like they can find the quiz just randomly pick some foundation.
Okay. Okay, how would you return to the home page?
Return to the home page. Home page. And
Okay.
okay.
Maybe you can go.
Wait. Can you try? Okay.
We can go here and click the. They have a link, the image link.
Oh.
The text now is you have just signed up for Sephora and you want to check out the community page to see if you want to get more involved. Let me watch what you would do.
Get more involved?
Yeah, community page.
Community page.
Okay, and
completely. Okay.
Are there anything that like draw your eye?
The color and the picture they select.
Okay. Does the design of the page let you want to join this community?
Not really. It's too girly. Like I mean, it's too pink.
Okay. Now you have completed all the tests.
Okay.
Just a few questions about your impression of the Sephora. What do you like the best about the site?
It's include many brands, so I can buy it and save some on shipping fees.
Okay. What do you like least about this site?
It's the find the quiz. Like I'm not really then know what type of my skin are. So
Okay. If you were a web developer, how do you improve this site?
I will reduce the words on the website. It makes me feel too messy, and so I can just some keyword on the website, and I can just click on the keywords and show up any selection.
Okay. Thank you for participating in our usability study. Your feedback are really helped me to improve this website. Have a great day. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye bye.